Take a glass of water, put lemon into it. We see the lemon sinks. Now put salt into the water. Mix it thoroughly until it dissolves. Put lemon into it. Here we see the lemon floats. Take 2 glasses. Fill 1 glass with normal water and another glass with hot water. Put color into the hot water and mixed it with hot water so that we can differentiate between hot and normal water. Cover the hot water glass with a hard sheet and turn upside down and place it on the top of the normal water glass. Take out the hard sheet. The result is that the hot water will not mix with normal water because hot water has less density. Take a steel dish and place a burning candle on the middle of it. Put some water and a drop of blue color on a dish. Mix water and blue color thoroughly until it becomes blue water. Now place a plastic bottle over the burning candle on a dish. The candle's flame will decrease until it goes out because it uses up all the oxygen in the bottle. Blue water will rise into the bottle as the candle flame goes out. This is because the air in the bottle cools and the air pressure drops below atmospheric pressure, causing water to be drawn into the bottle to equalize the pressure. Take a glass and place it on a table. Pour some water in it. Now take 1 packet of Clinic Plus shampoo and put the shampoo into the glass of water. Next take some Colgate and put it into the same glass of water. Now take a spoon and mix the shampoo, Colgate and water continuously until it dissolves completely. After that put some Eno into the solution. Immediately we can see that the solution of water, shampoo, Colgate and Eno reacts and turns out into suds coming out of the glass.